I have April's Fruit for Thought. So if you want to see what's inside this month's box and what the theme is, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening. Chloe's got school and I'm over at my mom's house tonight. And Bandit's at home because I'll be home tomorrow. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my Fruit for Thought box. Usually Chloe and I open this together, but I don't want to risk setting this in my car tomorrow all day at work because it's been sunny and warm out, and then finding out that something in there didn't sit well in the heat. So I thought I would go ahead and open it today and share whatever goodies are inside with Chloe. So April's theme is Fruit Sip and May's theme is Tangerine Lime. So if that excites you, you might want to check out Fruit for Thought and get on the Tangerine Lime kick next month. There is your sneak peek. And from Spa Life, we have some fruit extract hydro soothing cooling eye pads. So there are many of them in here. And we love this, love it. You're just going to put them right over your eyes, just like a cucumber slice, right? Helps with extreme puffiness and dark circles. By Spa Life, we have a rejuvenating natural extract cherry facial mask. From Healthy Life, we have a fruit and nut mix, and this has banana chips in there. Chloe loves banana chips, but it also has like some raw cashews in there, and yeah, I think the nuts are raw nuts. Yum. Can't eat them right now because I just had some dental surgery, so I can't have any nuts. This whole side of my mouth is still very, very sensitive. And now this is funny because we just got Bella and Bear products in the Ohana Beach box, and we have their tropical travel pack in this one. So we have Hawaiian shampoo, we have Hawaiian shampoo and conditioner, and Ocean Spray foaming salt scrub, and a Tropics face mask. So everything's inside of here, and they're all individually sealed little packets. So, and the face mask is it's not a sheet mask, it's like a cream or clay or something. And this company is a vegan company, and they have some great products. I've tried them before, really like them. All right, we have some polish wraps. The company is Polish Wrap. This is a cruelty-free company. They're also vegan. So very nice. Look at how cute those are, though. Oh my goodness. We got these as a choice, I think in the summer of last year for Goldie Box. If you get Goldie Box, it's the same brand. And then we have by Spa Savvy a set of 3 exfoliating hoops in this gorgeous yellow. Look at that. Oh, so cute. All right, that is our Fruit for Thought. Another great box, Pam. Thank you so much for finding just the cutest things to put in these boxes. All right, well, tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite product in here? There were some great things. Like these are super cute, but I'm going to have to go with this. This is definitely my favorite product, but everything is just spot on. I love that the nuts are raw in here. They don't look like they're salted or anything or roasted. So, I love that. Let's see if it says. There are no salt. Oh, it has dry roasted peanuts, cashew pieces, walnuts, soy nuts, banana chips, cranberries. And it is salt free, but the cashews definitely look Look raw. And this is like really a very spa themed box too, I think. So I think that's amazing. How she kind of got every, oh, fruit spa. What did I say? Did I say fruit sip? Fruit spa. So yeah, all right. That makes sense that they're all spa type items. I'm a little slow to the game. What can I tell you? All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.